bloody waters, every day, every day. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be working with karlaMiHair. I'm going to link everything down below so you know exactly where I got the hair from. This hair texture is actually really soft and really lightweight. And then also this is a really good protective style if you want to just keep away from any tension. It's scalp friendly and it keeps the hair like hella like healthy and natural. If you don't want to do like tension styles, this is a low tension, low tension hairstyle. Also, I'll be using 2 packs to create this entire style. Now we're doing basically a braid down for our foundation. I'm doing one braid on the side first, and then it's going to continue on all the way to the back of my head. Just making sure I put a braid on the nape so that when I do want to put my hair up, that I have some crochet hair available on that last braid. So it looks a little bit more seamless. Now for this, I didn't really do too many braids. I don't really feel like you need to do like a lot of braids when you do crochet human hair, and they don't have to be super perfect. So as I braid each braid, I'm pulling the last braid that I did up into the next braid that I'm working on, so on and so forth. I'm just doing that throughout the entire thing. So this braid that I'm working on right here will go into the next braid that I work on, just so the ends of the braid are always tucked into the next braid. Then when I have my last braid, I just crochet it through the hair and just start getting to crocheting the human hair in. This is the curl pattern we're going to be working with today, and it's also 18 inches. This is how the crochet hair looks. It does have a thread in between 2 pieces of human hair, and you're just basically going to loop your hair in that crochet human hair, slide through the thread, and then you're going to slide the human hair through that loop. So I'm going to do it again for you guys so you guys can see what I'm doing exactly. Sliding the crochet needle down, pulling that thread piece through over my braid, and then pulling the human hair through that loop of thread that I have and pulling it tight to make sure it's nice and secure. That is all I'm doing. I'm going to show you guys a few more times, of course. We're sliding the crochet hair through, crochet needle through, then we're sliding the thread through, then we're going to go through the thread, pull the human hair through the thread, and then create a knot on our braid. That is all we are doing. Simply creating a knot on top of our braid so that we can have a secure foundation for this look. Once you guys know exactly what to do, let me show you guys how I usually style my crochet human hair. So this is how it looks, nice, beautiful, and fluffy. I really liked how this looked, and I wish it would have stayed this way throughout the time that I've had it in. But usually once I add water and stuff, it kind of just air dries back to what it was originally. But for this hair, for some reason, when I was putting water in it, I will be honest, it didn't go back into the curl pattern that you originally saw in the last few clips. I usually always add water to the hair just so I make sure I get any knots or anything out, make sure I detangle it, and it was a little bit hard to detangle, and usually I never have a hard time detangling my crochet human hair. I use my unbrush to detangle and just water. I didn't put anything else in it. I'm just trying to detangle it so that it can air dry and stay as fluffy as it was in the beginning. So I noticed that some of the hair started to become straighter than the rest of the hair. It didn't really revert back to its natural curl pattern originally, like when I put it in. So I thought that was interesting. So for me, I wanted to do a human hair test. I wanted to take a piece and see if I were to do the lighter test, would it show that it's 100% human hair? Now, it was really cute in this claw clamp. I really liked how that looked. I thought that was super cute. And it's super simple to do, really easy. And all you have to do is your edges for real for this. But let's get back into the lighter test. So this is how you know if your hair is human hair. You're just going to take the hair or a piece of the hair. You're going to take a lighter. Make sure you are very careful. You're just going to light the hair and see if it turns to ash, or see if it starts melting into like a almost like a liquid form. So this turned into ash. So that's how you know this is human hair. So for me, I was still trying to figure out why the hair wasn't reverting back. As you can see, it looks a lot flatter here. And the only thing I had added was water. So I thought the curls would be like go back to being as fluffy as they were in the beginning, even after it air dried, but that didn't really seem to happen. Maybe it's just this curl pattern, but that is just the experience I had with the hair. I still do think it was super cute, but it just was a little bit of a flatter look than I was expecting. This is how it looked with the side part, and I'm gonna go ahead and go into detail for you guys to tell you my honest opinion in the next clip. But right here, I'm just clipping the ends as I usually do, just to frame my face a little bit. I usually make some small little pieces up at the front, like layer it, but this time I just thought to leave it long, and I actually really liked how it looked longer. So let's get into my thoughts on this hair. Hey y'all, so some final thoughts on this hair. I'm obviously going to give my honest opinion. This is my first time working with this company, first time wearing their hair. I will say I really like how this curl pattern looks. I do have some details on it on how I feel, and I'm going to give my honest opinion. As far as the quality of the hair, I do feel like it does feel like human hair, but at the same time it does feel a little bit like drier, and like it's not really retaining water as well as my other crochet human hair. The curl pattern is still really pretty. I do feel like some areas once I wet it didn't really go back to the curl pattern it originally was when I first, you know, obviously installed the hair, which honestly is still fine. I think it's still pretty. Not saying it's not cute. I'm just saying things that I noticed when I put the hair on my head. Also, I noticed there is a bit of a smell once I did wet the hair and stuff. And of course, the manufacturing probably took some work to where they had to do certain things, like maybe putting certain like processing to the hair so that it can be manufactured to be crochet human hair. I definitely recommend maybe wash the hair prior to installing, letting it air dry. I feel like I should have done that. Maybe it will be I would like the quality a little bit better, just to give any type of coating or anything on it, just, you know. That is my honest review on that. I do feel like the curl pattern is really pretty on me. I like how this looks. I usually cut like the front of it to face frame my face, but I kind of like how this looks pretty long. It just looks like free and long, and the curls are not super uniform to where they all look identical. I usually do like 15 braids, but this time I was like, I'm gonna just do a few braids because last time I did the braids a little bit too tight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have like 5 in the middle, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. So about 9 braids in total. I did a braid in the middle just so that my middle part wouldn't be going all the way, you know, down to the back, and just leave that line. I put my head down. You can see there's a braid here and there's crochet hair on it, so that it doesn't look like the middle part is going all the way backwards. Tried my best to fill in the back, but I always forget to do the back. This is how the back looks. I always forget to fill in the back as much as possible, honestly, because I'm always so like just prevalent worried about the front. So I would just be wary of that when you're filling this in. Now they did send me 2 packs of hair. What came in this plastic, I only got 2 of those. So I'm gonna be very specific saying that because I know somebody's gonna ask. So yeah, other than that, I really do like the curl pattern. I think it's really pretty on me. I love the length. It does say it's 18 inches, but I feel like this is longer than 18. So the deep wave that they sent me, that's what it says on the packaging. That is what I received. Super pretty. It is very lightweight and very like just naturally flowy. I really like that. It's not heavy at all, which that's why I love crochet human hair. And it always looks like my hair, especially because the color of my hair matches the hair so well. Let me zoom in on my roots. Yes, I definitely recommend when you're doing it, just make sure the braids are just like, you know, not so perfect, so that it can just give like it's already been worn type of look, because that really helps the crochet human hair look just like it's already yours, you know. Like when it's super fresh, not everybody loves their crochet human hair, but when it looks like it's been a little bit worn, like that's when the crochet, like the parts and stuff, stop looking so uniform and perfect. So if you want to stay updated with how this hair was, I am going to also post on my Instagram so you guys can see, and I'm gonna comment any questions you have down below, and I always reply to my comments. So if you comment down below, you will see or get any updates that you need from me. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you, bye.